Here's an early game tutorial for any beginners that might be looking for some setups. It'll have multiple steps, the cheapest being just under 30k and the best and most expensive costing just over 200k. Right, so let's go into it. I'll remove all this so we can get started. Alright, we'll start off with a polisher, followed by a filter to the right, filtering all gemstones. Then we'll follow it up with a cleaner, a smelter, 3 conveyor belts, then 1 to the left, then a splitter to the right, then a coiler. Now we'll place the circuit maker facing the output to the right as well. We'll put a conveyor behind it and then place the seller. The extra output on the filter will go directly to the seller. It will connect the gems the same way. Now as for the stone, we'll place some conveyors here and a crusher with a kiln on this side. And then if you want some extra money, if you have an extra $250 left over, you can put a polisher right here. Now that's it for step 1. For step 2, all you have to do is remove one of these conveyors and place a tempering forge. This will double your money output. Then for the third step, it'll be just over 100,000 extra. So what we'll do is we'll remove all of this. We'll place an overflow splitter to the left and to the right over here as a sort of balancer, followed by the alloy furnace. Now the reason we use 2 overflow splitters here is because if we use just one, or if we use a splitter to the right, sometimes it'll send 2 bars to the right in a row, leaving ore stuck. So that's why we use this, in order to prevent that. So it'll just send it right back if we have too many ores on the right side. And then we will also place the tempering forge right behind here. Now for the final step, for 20k, we can buy a gem cutter right here to get 40% more on our gems. And right here for 8,500, we can place an electric tuner to get $50 extra per circuit. Alright, I hope this guide was useful to you guys, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.